Welcome back guys to CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a link and the Bitcoin. Let's dive in. Let's start with Bitcoin. We're still in a local correction after this impulse, and look, we got the gap, and yesterday I made a video, so we got reaction on the weekly time frame. So this week we started from 28,671 and now we traded 29,200, but we have still all chances to go in lower, to finish this correction only to 0.23 by FIB. We have to, in the next few days, going over then 30k like this one, hold the line and continue rally up. If we will not see some huge volume or so, we can see something like this one. Personally for me, it would be the perfect scenario if we will test 28,400 and 28,100. Personally for me, it would be much better than move like this one. Why? Because this gap will be done on a weekly time frame and we have all chances to go much higher. So on a daily for Bitcoin, it's now take profit line 37,800, buy line on a daily around 19k, and on a weekly the buy line it's 18,800 and take profit 37,200. So all these lines are still relevant, but now I'm more bullish than bearish. That's why I'm still waiting the last impulse, maybe not last impulse, but something like this one, maybe even over the exit line. And after that, deeper correction. So it will be good. And on this deeper correction, we can see some altcoin season. Now let's go to Link. We start from monthly, weekly, daily, and 12-hour time frame. So we are still in the range over than 457 days. And I mark it, we got this green block. It's exactly range between 18 and 27 zone. And we still didn't test 50% of this zone. So we can count like this one. Here's the FIB, so just a few cents. We didn't hit $4.52, but of course it's not necessary, so we have to crash exactly to the lowest point. So personally for me, the lowest point for Link can be around even 70 cents, this monthly gap. But like remember, we got a lot of gaps on the Bitcoin around 1k or 300. That's why it's not necessary. So we have to come back and close every single gaps. That's why now we close this one. It was a monthly gap here between $6.87 till $4.94, and we close the last big monthly gap. Now we got bullish gap above. It's between $9.62 till $10.61, and this block will be like a magnet only for just the beginning of correction to zero level. So zero level is 1345. It's only zero level for this FIB. And this FIB is relevant because I showed you here is a top, here's a drop, here's a correction to 61. We came into a 27 zone, not the level. That's why only the conservative correction for this downtrend from May 2021, it's the longest bear market ever, what you ever seen. And I ever seen. It's a sweep liquidity at 37 and 0.78 level by fee 44. Globally, yes, with all this hype around and all big potential of Chainlink, yes, I think we can see something around new all-time high. It's $77. When? It's another question. This cycle or another one. So it's hard to say. So that's why on a monthly, yes, finally we stop here in March 2022. We're out of crazy distribution zone on a monthly, so it's bullish signal. On a weekly, here last crazy distribution crashed from 52 till 15 in 2 candles, so it's crazy. This FIB is relevant. Now we're trade long-term period here from May 2022 till let me show you, till June 2023, we traded under fundamental price. And now this price going down. That's why if the market crash or something happen, we can see one more time test of $5.32. I don't think so. We'll go so low to 27 level, but this time it was a good time for accumulation. Of course, if we compare just a correction to $33 or $40 or $50, $7 is also good. That's why take profit line going down, but now around zero level. So at least, like I always told you, after the buy line, at take profit, you can withdraw initial deposit, just leave free coins. If you're scared or you're not sure you made a right decision or not. If we go to the line chart, here's a line chart. We can close take profit. Here, we got this downtrend line, we can draw like this one, so we already passed on a sideway. But usually the market makers forming the trend line like this one, that's why. And now we're not see any touches, but unfortunately the market makers in most cases can form something like this one. When we're breaking out zero level, 23 level, $22, we're breaking out downtrend line and then retest, for example, 13 and forming something like this one. So this is how the market makers works on a distance. So it's a weekly time frame. We was here in total disbelief. Last stage was here in June 2023. Here it was the lowest point here at $4.70. Now I'm more bullish than bearish because we're a long time in accumulation. Now, of course, on a weekly we got orange zone. So it's similar like for example here, orange zone, like here, orange zone, So it's market condition when we can see some first impulse up. Also, if you zoom out and take a look on inverse chart, inverse scale here, here's how it looks like. So basically, yes, we got this trend line. We go in a sideways here. That's why we have to dump at least to 33, bounce and go or lower or 78. So 0.5 level FIP and 78, it's most just conservative prices for Link. That's why we go back to normal chart. On the daily, what do we can see on a daily? Yes, we're long time period in accumulation. So somebody accumulated a lot Link, for some reason. That's why it's only up to you, accumulate this coin or not, because maybe we will not see some black swan. And I think if even the Huobi scammed or something happened, in the world, and we will see some crazy dump, I'm not sure that Chainlink will drop to $2.74. So to drop to this level, we have to lose 63%, more than real. To see something like this one, maybe sweep this liquidity, 37%. So it's more than possible, on the daily, like you can see why it's more than possible, sweep this liquidity or even sweep this one, because we bounce it, like you can see on a daily, exactly, just till penny. It's like a magic, here, from the buy line, almost touch take profit. That's why if we will see some black swan, on the market, we can see some sweep this liquidity, $8.86, and then drop it down to the buy line again. Buy line till that time, I think will be around $5, $4.88, and we will be still in the range, But of course, it's so annoying, to trade just in the range. That's why you already watch it on many other altcoins when we're breaking out of this take profit and exit line. For example, ENG, for example, we saw on XWG, Bitcoin Cash. So the people capitulate, because a lot of people who, for example, buying here or buying here, when they see the price at their break-even entry point, they will going out of this asset, we pump it here, and the same people who bought it here and out of here join in once again to this asset. So this is how the market makers psychology work, the psychology of the crowd. So $2.74, it's most crazy dump what I can expect for Link. And if we drop, I would like to accumulate a lot, because I truly believe in the potential of Link. So guys, I hope you like this video about Chainlink. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.